Here are 10 free tools that you should use when you're a YouTuber. These tools will include handy tools for creating thumbnails, finding music, and more. First on the list is vidIQ, which is a tool that helps YouTubers find topics and keywords for their videos and a bunch more. You can pay to upgrade to more premium features, but the free tier has features that are already excellent if you're only starting out. These features include basic channel AMP video analytics, access to basic YouTube AI coach, and more. I personally use vidIQ to look for video topics, and while that's not saying much, there are plenty more successful channels who swear by vidIQ. Next tool is Open Broadcaster Software, or OBS, which is a free and open-source software for video recording and live streaming. It's widely used by content creators, gamers, and professionals to capture and broadcast their computer screens, gameplay, or other multimedia content. On top of that, OBS is a great screen recording tool which will let you record your PC's screen or even gameplay videos. I always use OBS for its robust functionality and regular updates. It's a solid choice if you want a reliable and feature-rich solution for recording and live streaming. Next up is Photopea. Photopea is an online photo editing tool that provides a Photoshop-like experience directly in a web browser. Photopea allows users to work with layers, apply various filters and effects, and perform tasks such as photo retouching, image manipulation, and design creation. Basically, anything you can do on Photoshop, you virtually do with Photopea. I really like Photopea because it provides a powerful and accessible online alternative to traditional graphic design software. It's particularly useful if you need robust image editing capabilities but may not have access to or prefer not to use desktop applications. The ability to use Photopea directly from a web browser without the need for installation is definitely a huge plus. Next is a tool that will come in handy when you're creating thumbnails with Photopea. Pixlr's background removal feature is a very powerful tool that allows users to effortlessly eliminate backgrounds from their images. If you need to remove a background from your photo quickly, then this tool is perfect for you. With Pixlr's background removal tool, you can easily isolate subjects in their images by removing the background, allowing you to add the subjects in a thumbnail. It streamlines the often intricate process of background removal, making it accessible to users with varying levels of expertise. It's easy to use. All you need to do is drag your image in and wait for Pixlr to do its magic. Next is DaVinci Resolve, which is a comprehensive video editing, color correction, visual effects, and audio post-production software, and the best part is that it's free. DaVinci Resolve offers a powerful suite of tools for video editing and finishing. It features advanced color grading capabilities, including high-end color correction and color matching tools. The software's editing module is robust, providing a timeline-based interface for assembling video clips, adding effects, and fine-tuning edits. I've used DaVinci Resolve for years, and it has never disappointed me. It has a paid version that you can get, but you are not at all limited by using the free version. Next is Audacity, which is a widely used open-source audio editing software that provides a robust set of tools for users to record, edit, and manipulate audio files. It supports multi-track editing, allowing users to work on various audio elements simultaneously, and offers a range of features such as cutting, copying, and pasting sections of audio, as well as applying various effects and filters. Audacity will come in handy when you need to record your voice for a video and quickly add effects to enhance it. Next is the YouTube Audio Library. It's a resource provided by YouTube that offers a wide selection of royalty-free music and sound effects available to download and use for content creators. Music is an important part of any YouTube video, so a huge resource such as this is very welcome. To access it, just go to YouTube Studio, click on Audio Library, and from here you can start browsing and downloading any music and sound effect that you like. Next up is Pexels. Pexels offers a user-friendly website where users can search and browse through a diverse range of images and videos, all of which are available for free download and use. The platform prides itself on its commitment to quality, with a community of photographers and videographers contributing to the growing library of content. If you're looking for visually appealing and professional-grade images and videos without having to pay to license them, then Pexels is perfect for you. Pexels simplifies the process of finding and accessing compelling visuals, making it an excellent choice if you frequently use stock footage for your videos. Next up is Google Trends. Google Trends is a web-based tool provided by Google that enables users to explore and analyze the popularity of search queries over time. Google Trends visualizes data through interactive graphs, allowing users to identify trends, patterns, and regional interest in specific topics. It's a valuable resource for YouTubers like you looking to understand and leverage current search trends. This is a good tool to use along with vidIQ to get your next video idea going. You can either find a trending topic on Google Trends and look up relevant keywords on vidIQ, or do it in reverse. The possibilities are endless. And finally, we have Unsplash. If the free photos from Pexels aren't cutting it for you, then Unsplash has loads more to choose from free of charge. With Unsplash, you can make your thumbnail stand out thanks to its vast collection of high-quality, royalty-free images contributed by a community of photographers. You can freely download and use these images, which is available under the Unsplash license, which basically means you can use any photo for either commercial or non-commercial purposes, and without needing to request permission from the photographer. And that's the list of 10 free tools that you need to use as a YouTuber. Also, here's a video with a bunch of sound effects that you can use for your next video. Click on the video on the screen, and thanks for watching.